Hello and welcome to the second video of this three-part playlist where I want to give you guys a very sort of high-level overview of how to get up and running with Keeper Hub, how to actually get up and running with automating and monitoring on-chain activity. So the first thing that I've done here is I've hopped over to the URL that you see in the top left corner, which is workflows.keeperhub.com. I've logged into my account. So before obviously being able to do that, you need to create an account. That's very easy. Just follow the process. And then you'd be met with this interface here. Now, before creating keepers and workflows, I do want to kind of go through some of the basics. And if you click on your initials in the top left, LM, you'll be able to see a bunch of settings here. And to the left of those initials, you can see that I am part of 3 different organizations. So Luca's organization, Tech Hub Services, and Keeper Hub Demo. These are 3 separate organizations, and each organization can have multiple users who have access to it with various different administrative rights. Now, you will obviously not be part of an organization initially unless you've already been invited to one. So the first thing you want to do is manage organizations, and you want to create an organization. You can be original with a naming convention. I'm not going to create one in this case because I already have. Once you've created them, you can manage them. So you can go in here and manage Luca's organization. And it could be that I want to invite a colleague to my organization and I want to give them member rights so they can create workflows, or you want to give them admin rights so they can also manage members and wallets. Once you've created your organization, we need to tie a wallet to that organization because in order for Keepers to run, we need to pay gas. And it's extremely easy to do so. We use GetPara, non-custodial wallet provider. And you click on your initials in the top right corner and you click on wallet. So you can see that right now, organization wallet, create a wallet for your organization to use in workflows. It's as simple as simply just pressing this button here and it will create a wallet and tie it to that specific organization. If I hop over to Luca's organization here and then click on wallet again, you can see this is the wallet that we have available. On the balances right now, you can see I don't have anything on it. You'll have, the different stable coins and the different tokens. Well, you can even add tokens if you're missing some. This is both for mainnet, but also for testnets available. And again, this will be used to kind of fund the keepers that you'll be running. Okay. If we go back to settings here, there's going to be various other functionalities that you can do. The API key is available for your workflows. Connections are also available if you want to connect external API keys to your workflows. That is going to be fully available in here. On the other side, we have new workflow. That is sort of the default landing page so that you always are able to kind of get very quickly up and running with creating a workflow and get into the nitty-gritty. But if you click on it, you'll be able to see an overview of the workflows that you have. You'll see analytics. We have that coming very soon. So I'll have a future video showcasing that once we have that released. There's also a section called Hub. And the Hub is, as the name tells you here, public workflows. So we want to create this community-driven environment where you can contribute by creating templates of use cases that are valuable to the security, to the functionality of blockchain to Web3, and sharing them with other organizations, other users, other developers. We've thrown in a few examples here where it's as easy as saying, okay, I want to actually have a multi-sig watcher that is, monitoring my safe multi-sig and then alerting me when there's, threshold changes or ownership changes. I can click use template and it will have the template created. The template will be created privately, so it's not public. And of course, then you can plot in the information pieces that are missing in order for that specific keeper to work for your use case. So that kind of very much summarizes the video that I had in mind today. The next video, I do want to uncover actually creating workflows and how to do that manually, but also how to use our LM model here to actually use natural, language to, prompt it to create a workflow for you automatically. So I'll leave that for the third and final video in this playlist. But if you do, as always, have any questions, partake in the conversation on our Discord server, throw a comment on this video, whatever's easiest. You can always reach me at luca@techops.com. Whatever sort of avenue that you prefer to communicate with us, we definitely want to hear from you and get your feedback. So thank you very much for listening, and I hope to see you in the next one.